tell a lie. Baby work, gon' bust a wide.
Hey, it's your girl Brittina and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome and be sure to subscribe. Today I'll be reviewing the new Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate Plus Repair line. I have been so excited to try this. When I first saw this line, I was like, I have to pick this up. Like, I have to get the whole entire line. I can't skip not one beat. Just in case you guys didn't know, honey and yogurt is really good for your hair. If you watched my previous video about how to transition into being natural, I spoke about natural masks. And listen, I was just so excited when I saw this. I had to get it. Like, I had to get it. I just had to. A little backstory on this. I saw it in Ulta and I'm like, this line doesn't look familiar. Like, it has to be new. It has to be new. I went home, you know, looked it up online. I didn't see no reviews on it. So I'm like, is this a knockoff? Can this be a knockoff? But I'm like, how they just won't sell knockoff products. So I just waited a couple days. No, I just waited like a day or two. And then I went on Shea Moisture's page and I saw someone asking about it and they were like, oh, keep an eye out. So I'm like, they didn't release this yet? Like, it didn't drop yet or something? Is this exclusive? By then I knew that it's a new line. So I immediately went to Ulta and grabbed the whole line so I can try it out and review it. Just to give you guys a little information on Manuka Honey, is really good for your hair. It fights off dandruff, it hydrates your hair, it boosts your hair, gives it shine, adds volume, locks in moisture and all of that. So it's really good for your hair. Oh, and another thing, it kills off bacteria as well. So yep. And as for yogurt, it's filled with protein and your hair loves protein, so that's a plus also. Yogurt has lactic acids, which is good for your scalp, and it helps hair follicles to grow. Okay, I'm gonna start off with the shampoo. I really like the packaging. It's really pretty. Nice little blue, pastel blue, I don't know. But it says Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate Plus Repair Shampoo with Mafura and Baobab oils. I'm retarded. I don't know. Baobab oils. Baobab oils with Mafura and baobab oils. I don't know. Whatever. It says cleanse and restore extremely dry, brittle hair. My hair. Back here says Manuka Honey helps provide moisture and boost shine. Yogurt is nourishing moisture to your hair. Mafura oil is damage control. It softens and promotes healthy looking hair. Okay, for starters, I love this shampoo. It smells so good. It was hydrating to me. Like, I just love Shea Moisture shampoos. They feel like conditioners. They really do. I know I always say that, but it does. It's like you can just use it and don't use no conditioner. So let's go to the conditioner. It looks the same. Everything is the same. Just it says conditioner on it. As you can see, conditioner is down here. A little bit further down, maybe to right here. I had to use way too much of this. I only used it twice. The first time I used this, I haven't washed my hair in a week, so you know how knotted our hair can get, and it took forever to detangle my hair. It got the job done, but it took way too long. To me, it doesn't have a lot of slip. The first time it didn't have a lot of slip, so when I tried it again, because I use these products like twice to really make sure, when I tried it again, my hair, it wasn't that knotted because it was like kind of freshly washed. I washed my hair like 3 days after the first time, so it wasn't that knotted, and I thought the conditioner, you know, felt like that because my hair was knotted, but it still felt the same way the second time. I really liked it though. I really did like it. Although it took a lot of product to detangle my hair, it still got the job done. My hair was really hydrated and shiny, So I guess it's not really how it feels while you're doing it, it's the effect afterwards. I do like it, but I just don't like how it feels, if that makes any sense. Onto the Hydrate Plus Repair Protein Power Treatment. I like this stuff, y'all. It's so thick. Look. After I used this and washed it out, it really looks shiny. Like it put some life into my hair. Especially when I haven't detangled in a whole week or washed my hair. You know how dry and brittle your hair can get. And that's my hair. It's really dry, really brittle. And this actually brought it back to life with no products, no styling products. After I washed out the deep conditioner, I used this split end balm that they came out with. It says instantly still and reduce the appearance of split ends and reduce breakage from heat styling up to 89% for a fresh cut look. I guess this is for when you want to straighten your hair, but I still use it after I use a mask. It says to use it on fresh damp hair, so that's what I did. Since I don't put heat on my hair, I feel like it did seal the appearance of split ends, because it did, and it's this sticky consistency that like holds your hair down, so the appearance of it has no other way but to, you know, stay down. I have a few split ends, and every time I comb through my hair I'll lose a whole bunch of hair. But when I put this balm in and then I like ran my finger through my hair, I barely had like breakage. I barely had hair coming out. So I guess it works. I just didn't, it just felt weird because it was like kind of sticky and it just stuck your hair together. But other than that, it was cool. If I do decide to straighten my hair, I might use it, I guess. So yeah. And then after the split end balm, I went on to the multi-action leave-in. Y'all, look how much of this I used. I wanted to put just this in my hair. I didn't want to use any other styling products because I wanted to see how it is by itself. I mean, it's not bad or anything. It's not bad. It's just not as hydrating as I wanted it to be. So that's why you would have to style it with something. And I really wish they came out with a styling product. Nothing too thick, but something like the Curl Enhancing Smoothie consistency. But I'm gonna just chill with this, I guess, for now. Hopefully they come out with it because I really like this line. I love the smell. I love what it does for your hair. This is my hair a day later from using, you know, all of these and styled with just this. So I think it did good because I like my hair a bit frizzy. So it's not that bad. It didn't weigh my hair down or anything. I had to use a lot of product, like a lot. All in all, my favorite two products from this line has to be the shampoo and the leave-in conditioner. These two I'm gonna keep forever and buy it over and over because I really love these two. I'm still gonna use this, but I just have to find a styling product, a good styling product to pair with it. And the conditioner, I'm just gonna use it occasionally because I can't go and buy this after every 3 use. I just can't. I'm gonna just save it and use it when needed. But shouts out to Shea Moisture. I really love this brand. I've been using this brand ever since I started transitioning, and they drop new stuff all the time. They all might not work the same, but it's still something in that product that your hair might love. So it doesn't hurt to try and pick and choose what you like. Throw stuff into your, you know, hair routine, and bam, you have a regimen. We've reached the end of this video, and I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. I had fun trying these products out because I was dying to try them out. Please make sure you guys give me a thumbs up and drop some comments down below. Bye.
When that hate don't work, they start telling lies.